Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make steamed abalone. Let's start. Firstly, we should prepare 10 abalones. Then use the toothbrush to brush the side of the abalone. After that, use the spoon or small knife to shell abalone. We should cut the abalone from the small side that can keep the meat to be preserved. Then clean the entrails from the abalone. Finally, use the toothbrush to brush the entire abalone. Use water to wash it and save it for later. Now we should lightly score the surface of the abalones with a homogeneous crosswise knife. It can help the abalones absorb the sauce later. Before cooking abalones, we should prepare some ingredients. Fire mince 2 chili pepper. Save them for later. Fire mince 1 garlic. Save it for later. Dry 3 slices of ginger. Save them for later. Fire mince 1 bunch of green onions. Save it for later. After prepare ingredients, we should marinate abalones. Put the abalones into the bowl. Then add ginger, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, 1/8 teaspoon white pepper. Then grab them well with our hands and then marinate them for 10 minutes. When the abalones are marinating, we can wash the abalone shell. Use the toothbrush to brush all of the shells, and save them for later. Now we can cook the steamed sauce. Firstly, add 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon peanut oil into the pan. Use big fire to heat the oil. Then add half fire minced garlic into the pan. Fry it to golden, which means it cooked enough. Then pour it into a bowl. Add chili pepper, the rest of garlic, half tablespoon oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon seasoned soy sauce for seafood, 80 teaspoon sugar, 80 teaspoon chicken powder into the bowl. Stir well the sauce and save for later. After making the sauce, we should lay the abalones for the cooking. Firstly, add some water into the pan and put the steamer into the pan. Then put the marinated abalones on the abalone shell. Then put them on the steamer. Finally, add sauce to the marinated abalones. After that, cover the lid and steam abalones for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, sprinkle with green onion. Then we made the delicious steamed abalones. If you taste it, you will find that it will smooth shell taste and mellow flavor. The delicate and special meat makes your mouth feel fragrant. Just enjoy it. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. See you next Chinese food. Bye.